Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students and learners. Once again, today I would like to say welcome in today's lecture. So, without wasting time, let's move to the board and let's start our today's lecture. Our today's competency is writing and lecture number 5A. So, dear learners, you know very well, before going into the deep insight or deep understanding of the topic, we must know about the SLO. So, the SLO, today's SLO is before you people look at the SLO, write informative explanatory text to examine a topic and convey ideas and information. It means that our today's competency is writing, and this SLO is about writing, but write informative explanatory text. First of all, our text should be informative or explanatory to examine a topic. Yes, to examine a topic and convey ideas and information. If we say convey ideas and information, it means that informative and explanatory. Yes. Dear learners, this SLO is telling us that we should know about writing, and the writing is of informative. It means that write in a way that people, your readers, can get information easily. Now, this is the SLO. Move to the vertical linkage and brainstorming, and after these 2 points, we will go in deep and understand the topic. Yes, look at this. This is vertical linkage. Write informative explanatory text like a book, blurb, poster to examine a topic and convey ideas and information. This SLO was in class 6. This is brainstorming. Now, it is brainstorming. In brainstorming, we try to connect with the topic by understanding, by taking some important points in our mind. Reading every day is like opening a door to new information. Yes, definitely. Reading is just like uh, an open window or an open door, which is the source of new information. In the same case, the more we read, the more facts and knowledge we get. It means that if we read more, then we will be able to write more. And if we get information from the writing, that is called informative writing. So, in this way, we have connected our topic. We are going to understand the topic, that what is informative or explanatory writing. So, let's move to the next stage. Yes, informative paragraph writing. Yes, look at this. What is informative paragraph? An informative paragraph gives facts, explains a topic, and shares real information, not opinions. This is very important. Informative paragraph gives facts, a paragraph which is full of facts, a paragraph which explains a topic, and a paragraph which shares real information, not opinion, not just based on our thinking. Such type of paragraph is called informative paragraph. Informative paragraph is written to help the reader understand something clearly. So, dear students, now we have very well aware that informative paragraph is written for the purpose of conveying information to the readers. Let's move to the next point. Structure of informative paragraph. Structure of informative paragraph. Yes, look at the structure. Every informative paragraph has 4 parts. It means that informative paragraph consists of 4 parts. Number one, it consists of topic sentence. Number two, after topic sentence, there are facts and details. The lines in which facts and details we encounter, that is called sporting details. So sporting details concludes or includes facts or details. Number three, then examples and evidences. It means that informative paragraph must have examples or evidences that prove the topic sentence or the main topic, right? And then closing sentence. Now, you can look at the picture as well. First of all, there is topic sentence, and then facts and details, and then examples or evidences or closing sentence at the end. So, this is the basic structure for informative paragraph. So, dear learner, now uh, you can understand what is the structure of an informative paragraph. Now, look to the next stage, next slide, and have some more knowledge about this particular topic. What is topic sentence? Now, we have reached at the stage in which we will discuss the main topic structure points. First point is topic sentence. So, let's have what is topic sentence. A topic sentence tells the main idea of the paragraph, a sentence, and usually such type of the sentences, those are called topic sentences. They come at the start of the paragraph and usually found at the start. Yes, and now look at this. These sentence topics keep it clear, keep it focused on one idea. Example, recycling helps protect our environment. So, if we take this example as a topic sentence, it means that it binds us that we should keep this point, not move from this point. Recycling helps protect our environment. So, dear learners, topic sentence means the main sentence, which is the main topic, and it binds us, it limits us to the main topic. It does not allow us to waver or move from the main point. So, this is topic sentence. Now, move to the next part of the structure. Yes, this is the next part of the structure of the informative paragraph is facts or details. Facts and details explain the topic. Sentence. Yes. Facts and details explain the topic sentence. They are used. They give real information that supports the main idea. They are written in supporting sentences. Yes, this is all about facts and details included. It means that it includes what? Definitions, explanations, reasons. For example, it decreases waste that goes into landfills. So this is the line, this is the sentence which is full of fact. Yes, the fact is it decreases waste that goes into landfills. So, dear learners, now at number two, we know about facts and evidences, the reasons. They are the parts which can provide support to the main idea. Yes, move to the next point. Yes, now example, evidence. Examples and evidence make our paragraph strong and believable. They are also written in supporting sentences that support the main idea. When you have written a paragraph for information, then there should be a point that people should believe whatever you are saying that is right one. So, for this purpose, examples or evidences are included in informative paragraphs. So, use these things like real examples. Yes, examples should be there, but use real examples, real numbers, data, research based statements. For example, recycling one plastic bottle saves enough energy to light a bulb for hours. This is fact based example. Yes, this is fact based, research based statement which is proving that whatever is written that is based on fact. It means that if you do that experiment personally, you will read at this conclusion which is written here in front of you. So this is very clear example of example and evidence for informative paragraph. So, dear learners, this is about the third, fourth point. Now move to the next stage. Yes, that is at last we have reached at the closing sentence. Right here, we can conclude the paragraph. Closing sentence, in other words, we can say that concluding sentence. Yes, a closing sentence ends up the paragraph and restates the main idea in a new way. Yes, it is very important. It means that the closing sentence is the restatement of all those things which you have discussed before in the paragraph, but you have to make your new statement in a way that it restates all the thing but in a new way. It answers. It means that closing sentence answers what should the reader remember. It's the only purpose is that closing sentence only purpose is that the reader should keep in mind, because this is the focus point. Yes, like example, look at this example. This is why recycling is important for our planet. So, this is the focus point. This is the main point. And in this paragraph, in this example, that is restates in a new way that our reader or the mind, this is the most important point. For this purpose, we use closing sentence. So, dear learners, this is closing sentence, and closing sentence basically wraps up the whole topic but with a new style. Now, move to the next slide. Yes. Now, this is a very good example paragraph. Whatever we have studied till now, it is in the form of actual practice. It means that all the points we have discussed, when we combine all those points, so we reached at writing a paragraph. So look at this example. By combining all those points which have we already discussed, topic are today's paragraph's topic is why exercise is important. It means that importance of exercise. Exercise is important for a healthy body. This is topic sentence. It strengthens muscles and improves heart health. These are sporting details. Yes, and doctors say that even 30 minutes of walking each day can make a big difference for. Now, look at this. 30 minutes. These are the facts and figures which are written in the form of sporting sentences. Now, look at this. For example, it means that it is full of examples and evidences. Whatever we have studied before, they are all practically in front of you in the form of this paragraph. Regular exercise can reduce the risk of many diseases. This is research based point of view here is presented. Therefore, everyone should include exercise in their daily routine. So, therefore, it means that this is the result and this is concluding sentence. So, we can say all the points which have discussed independently, all those points are discussed here in the form of this paragraph. So, dear learners, this is very inclusive example. It's a big example. All the points if we want to put together at one place. Now, let's move and have what is next for our. Yes. Now, this is homework. Dear students, this is for you people. Write an informative paragraph on one of the following topics. These are the topics, three topics: the importance of reading, how plants grow, why cleanliness matters, use the structure. This is the structure. So it is called prompt for you people. This is a prompt for you people. Now you can use the topic sentence. Maybe first of all you will start with the topic sentence and then facts, details, evidence, and then closing sentence. Then you will be able to write. First of all, you have to pick one of these topics and then use this prompt and write the paragraph. So, dear learners, this was your homework, and we have already give you a prompt how you can write, and this will be the practical and practice approach for you people. If you write, if you took any one of these topics and write paragraph, must do it. Then you will be able to understand in real sense. Now, look at the next stage. Yes, there are simulations for you people. You can understand further your topic. Now, worksheets are also attached with PPTs. Now, these are our resources. PPTs are there, worksheets are there, skill sheets are there, and question banks are there. Lesson plans are there for you people. It is your duty to get advantage for using these resources which we have provided you people free of cost. You must use it and enhance your knowledge. Now, thank you so much, dear students. This is all about our today's lecture. I hope you have learned a lot. See you tomorrow with a new topic. Take care of yourself. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.